We're going.
Okay, so we're on the roof for Mr. James Puckett. Today is 7/1/2026. Right now we have about 4 square feet that are approved for replacement on the back slope due to wind damage, which is actually over here, but it's right against that hip. So what I'm doing now is testing to see if the shingles are in a repairable condition before we actually try to do that repair that's approved. So I'm going to remove one just to make sure that it's feasible to even just do a repair on this roof. So I'm going to remove, I think one of these was unsealed. Let me find it so that way, there we go. So this one's unsealed. There's no crease on this one. I'm going to remove this one down here. So right there. But all of these are still sealed to the roof. So are these. The only one that's unsealed is this one, but it's not broken right now. So, all right, got my roof snake. The shingle that I'm going to be putting in its place, I don't know what the shingle is yet. I haven't identified it. But the one that I have that I'm going to be putting in its place is GAF Royal Sovereign in Weatherwood. You can see the code on the back of that. And then I will do an ITAL on this to make sure I get the closest compatible shingle to go back in its place for the repair purposes. Okay. That sucker is stuck. Okay, I've got a little mat transfer happening right now, unsealing these. I'll make sure I get photos of that. I'll let the video zoom in a second too. I've already got some granules falling off of these because they're so loose. Oh, ooh, there we go. So you can see, you can kind of see it here, but I want to get photos of the of this shingle just to make sure I don't have any exposed fiberglass once I get this one off. There we go. All right. The snake started to rip through the shingle right there, but I caught it and I pulled it back before it actually happened. So hopefully we'll document if it does happen. These, a little mat transfer there. We'll get photos of that too. Oh, that's hot. Okay, and then we already looked at that, I believe. Okay, let me get these nails out. Some material coming up with these nails because the shingles are pretty weak. So I got some matting and some fiberglass. This one just pulled off this nail here.
Yeah, it looks like a little pull through.
Yep. That was a complete accident. I'm not going to count that as the damage for the repair. My snake tool hit it when I was coming back down. Please ignore that for this purpose.
Pull through.
Yeah, another nail that pulled through there. And that one came out. All right, let's see here. You see that one that pulled through it here. All right, and then let's see. There's code on the back. There is no code on the back. So I'll be pulling the ITAL to figure out what this is. You can see some fiberglass here where I had that material transfer when I was unsealing it. See here, along here, there, and over here as well. I'm going to check the bottoms of these because obviously they're probably going to look like this too. And then you can see material transfer here as well. Let me get this one out of the way. a popping root stuck to it. All right.
Oh, dang.
Let go, let go. Oh, there we go.
Oh, me too.
Yeah. A little warm outside today.
Yeah, what do we got? 95?
It's like 97 degrees.
97, great year.
All right. You can see this is a weatherwood. I have a feeling this is a weatherwood too, maybe. I got to test it first. It might be a driftwood, but color's a little bit different. But I got to identify the shingle first. That's not even important right now. Let me check these real quick. The sealant strip too, I want you to look here. The sealant strip is no longer viable on the back of these shingles, so they're not going to reseal themselves. And then we do have some material transfer right there. You can see it pulled the shingle apart and it's stuck. So that's going to cause issues just trying to do a repair on this roof. Let's see. And then here too, it doesn't even exist anymore right there. That sealant strip is totally gone. All right, let me go ahead and get this shingle nailed in place. The snake is causing some bruising on the bottom of the shingle, where it's starting to cause the fiberglass to fray a little bit more. I'm gonna try to refrain from that happening, but I mean, just nailing the shingle in, it's causing issues on the bottom edge.
And hold those screws for you.
A lot of granule loss. I can hear them raining down.
Yeah, they're just rattling off.
So it happened again here, where my snake tool pressed against it a little bit and caused an abrasion at the bottom of that shingle. Snake is bad about popping those nails back out. You don't get the angle just right. And there we are again here. I mean, it's unavoidable. And being as careful as possible to not press against those, but let me get these last couple nails in. I'm ignoring that one because that was the one where the snake damaged when I came back down on it. So let me point that out again. Come on. Right there again. Another problem. We'll make sure we get photos of all this when we're finished. We've got 2 more left.
Oh, the sun's popping out again.
Alright, one more nail, and then I'm done. Alright, so overall problems, material transfer. causing abrasions on the bottom. No more seal strip left on the shingles that are left up here, so they're not going to reseal themselves. Granule loss as well. So we'll go ahead and stop, get the photos we need.